has left a vacuum. Haiti flooded with theories about who killed a president who, at the time of his death, was an embattled, largely unpopular leader. Even still, for his widow, this was an unimaginable ending.
I never thought that the level of hate ever existed in the country.
You never thought this could happen?
No.
Because your husband did have a lot of enemies.
Yes, he did. But I didn't know that they hated that much to kill him.
Matt Rivers joins us now. Does the First Lady have any confidence that the investigation will lead to who orchestrated this whole thing?
I think it's safe to say no, she does not, Anderson. She continues to want the U.S. authorities that are already involved in this investigation to even ramp up their participation. She's also publicly calling on the United Nations to create a special investigative tribunal to investigate her husband's assassination, much like they did after the assassination of Lebanon's president back in the mid-2000s. Basically, she's saying there are so many powerful interests in Haiti that if outside investigators, foreign investigators, are not involved in this, she doesn't think the truth will ever really be found out.
Matt Rivers, appreciate it. Thank you. Fascinating. Up next, a surprise about what's ahead for American